Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to do a send it on the Snapchat. So if you want to ask any question from your Snapchat family, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So before that, we have to use the third-party application to use this feature or to do this trend on the Snapchat. But now this feature is built-in available on the Snapchat. How you can use it? First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Right here you have to search for the Snapchat. Simply you can update your Snapchat from here. After that, go back and open your Snapchat. Now click a picture and here you will see sticker option on the right top. Click on it and here you will see question. Just click on it and after that you can ask any question from your Snapchat family or the friend. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.